Now, this is how we can add page numbers in Google Docs on your iPad. Let's get started. So at first, what you need to do is to, of course, ensure that you have the Google Docs application and download it on your iPad. But once you do, just open it up and locate any kind of file that you want to manage. And in there, you can see that you have it open it up like that. And in the top right corner, you have a plus icon. So you can tap on that plus icon right there, and it will give you multiple different things which you can like insert, which might be an image, table, line, or whatever. But you also have the page number. And if you go in there, it gives you 4 different types of numbering. So it is either in the top right or bottom right corner. And you also have the option to choose whether the first page will be counted with the numbers or if it will be a cover page instead, right? So you can choose any of these options and literally every single page in your document will receive a numbering, and it's very useful. It's just a one-click solution, and that's how it works. So I even recently made a video about that, about like similar thing, because people were asking me how you can do this inside of the Pages app, which is the word or text editor from Apple. And I literally mentioned that inside of that app, it's not that simple. So I just instructed them to export that Pages document into Google Docs and then add the paging number right there. So that's how it works. That's everything I wanted to show you. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Go ahead and leave a comment, whatever you want to ask or say. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later in the next video.